A reference variable is a variable that refers to another variable, known as the referent, allowing direct access and modification of its value. Changes made to the referent will affect all reference variables referring to it, allowing both to share and modify the same value. When you declare a local variable and add the ref keyword before the variable's type, you are declaring a reference variable, or a ref local, which refers to another variable. The ref keyword allows you to modify the original variable, not just a copy. It passes a reference to the variable instead of its value. First ref indicates that you are declaring a reference variable. This means the reference variable will refer to another variable in memory, rather than being a regular copy of it. The second ref tells the compiler that you are assigning the reference of the existing variable to the reference local variable. Without it, the compiler would try to assign the value of variable, not its reference, which doesn't work for reference locals. The ref keyword is used both for passing by reference in methods and for creating reference locals.